Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. No say I'm a tour guide, Fire Reid. Big up on yourself coming from straight out of Jamaica. So if you don't want to know Jamaica, and just like, share and subscribe to the channel. I take you to some lot of different places in Jamaica when never dream figure. And you go hear the name them. So I take you to some place, to some countryside. So yeah man, so just share up a thing. One love and one heart. Big up on yourself. Peace. And out, Fire Reid. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am on the Lacovia main road. So I'm going towards the Holland Bamboo area. Yeah, remember a couple months ago there was a big fire in Holland Bamboo. Yeah man, so I give me Jamaican people an update from Jamaica in St. Elizabeth in the Holland Bamboo area. So keep on watching guys. Couple seconds away from Holland Bamboo. Holland Bamboo is in St. Elizabeth. So it's also a tourist attraction. Nice view of the bamboo. Yeah man, so you can get no peanuts, no coconut water, anything you want at the bamboo, So just the early morning vibes, man, so yes, my people, I get a fresh coconut in the morning. Yeah. Yeah man, so you don't know, say Holland Bamboo there, so you don't want the fresh coconut. Yeah man, you can stop right at Holland Bamboo and enjoy yourself. Yeah man, you don't know, me have to have one every morning. You know, say coconut water good for the heart, So yes, the people on the journey in Holland Bamboo just get a fresh coconut. As you know, coconut good for high blood pressure and a lot of health benefits. So yeah man, so no place like St. Elizabeth. So yeah man, Bamboo still look pretty same way, although in a couple months back was destroyed by fire. Yeah man, says green up and pretty again. As you can see, you have a lot of coconut vendors. Yeah man, so this is how they hustle, make them earn a living. Honest bread, you know. So big up on yourself, all the hustler them in Jamaica. Big up on yourself man, no matter where you come from. Big up on yourself. Times, because you know you have a lot of stray animal at the bamboo, a lot of cows, goat and stuff, so you gotta be very careful. Also in Holland Bamboo, this is where you can get one of the best curry goats in a St. Elizabeth. Curry goat and roti. Yeah man. Entering the school zone. Yeah, 30 kilometer. Yeah, remember on the speed limit. Care for the kids. This is where you can have the best curry goats in the Holland Bamboo. So if you make a right turn, it would take you all to Holland Village. For the love of no jerk pork and jerk chicken, still can't come a Holland Bamboo same way with people. So a lot of person drive on this bridge in Holland Bamboo area. So I'm gonna walk across this bridge and let you see nice stream of water. keep on watching, guys. So when you come to St. Elizabeth, there's a lot of things you can do in St. Elizabeth. You can go to the Wyeth Falls, to the Safari, Pelican Bar. So we're very close to the Wyeth turnoff. That's where you can go and do your zip lining. So this is the turnoff where you can go to Wyeth Falls. So keep on watching. We are now going to enter the longest corner in Jamaica. We found this in Mega Quarters in St. Elizabeth. man, so here see you find all of the swimmer them, you know. So our sweet, sweet Jamaica, land we love. Yeah, man, just coming to the parish of St. Elizabeth and enjoy the vacation. Talk about the street side food of Jamaica. Yeah, man, so the settings, you know. Yeah, man, so you have to watch out for them big units when they come around the corner. You make sure you stop, because they'll pin you down right in the corner, you know. So mega Quarters Church of God up on the hill. Yeah, man, worship and praise. So when you come and mega Quarters, you can get pepper shrimp. Yeah, man, so if you keep straight ahead where the camera is pointing, that we can take you all to new markets. Straight back into Montego Bay. Yeah, man, so life in Jamaica sweet, my paper. One lover, one heart, as the Bob Marley said. So let's get together and feel alright. So we are head to them place what them call named Bubble Spring. Yeah, a lot of persons remember them place when them come to St. Elizabeth. Bubbling Spring, you know. Yeah man, can go over there and get in a nice bath. So welcome guys to Bubbling Mineral Bath. This is in St. Elizabeth in the Mega Quarters area. So yeah man, I'm in the Bubble Spring area. So just take a view of the entrance because you know of the pandemic. A lot of places kind of closed down, so just take a view of Bubbling Spring. Yes, people, we're having some nice weather today in St. Elizabeth. As you can see, welcome. Bubbling Spring, mineral baths. So yeah man, so you can come at them place here after the COVID. Jamaica still nice, one love and one heart, you know. So you have to be very careful on the road. Yeah man, have to look out on the eyes them. You have a lot of speedy Gonzales. A lot of speedy Gonzales on the road, so you gotta be careful. So as you can see the sign saying you are now leaving Mega Quarters. So a lot of persons pass to them area. You have a nice little river where you can go relax. Just catch a nice view. Nice river view. I tell them people, so when after the pass Bubbling Spring, coming from the Holland Bamboo area, I'm gonna take you all right over to a nice little spot where you can relax on yourself and just catch some fresh air. So if you make a right turn, that will take you all right back to Whitehall and also to Giddy Hall. Straight back also to Newmarket. Montego Bay them side there. Yeah man, so a whole heap of big unit have passed on the road today. Always realize say on a Thursday you have a lot of big units. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Yeah man, so I'm gonna make a left turn now. Tell me so nice to go hang out spot this, but as you can see, yeah man, come like river and clean, you know, a lot of lily. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. So you will know a lot of places about Jamaica, you will know. So just tune into the channel and always remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah, I'm not really giving how much editing, just to show you where Jamaica be. Yeah, I'm not add nothing to it. Just natural, you know. So I'm just take in the view and see how I go on with people in Jamaica. No help for editing. Just the real vibes in Jamaica. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. One love and one heart from Fire Reid, you know. Blessings.